why you sitting by yourself? Come sit with me. We can talk and I can get to know you better.
Like I said before, I don't want to know you.
Come on, fam. Why you playing so hard to get? You know you like me. I'm a fun person to be around.
I have a boyfriend, like I told you before.
Well, if he's in Jamaica, how long is that gonna last? You might as well just break up.
Kaden, why are you talking to that girl? You like her or something? So you're just gonna stand there and not say anything to me? Do you like her or not?
Yo, chill. You're being paranoid. I don't like nobody.
You're such a waste, dude. Why you always playing like I don't know what you're doing? I know exactly what you're doing, Kaden.
Dante. Hi, how you doing? I was wondering, would you like to go somewhere with me? I mean, I don't really see you outside, so I never get to ask you.
Sorry. I've been really busy on thing, but if you wanna go, no, we can. I have a lot more free time now. Where would you like to go?
Like how your sister here. Why don't we just go to the park and me and you can talk and thing? If you don't mind.
Yeah, that sounds good. Alright. Your name's Richard, right? We can't stay long though. We can talk for a little bit, but after that, I have to go home.
Alright, that's cool, man. Just want to get for chill, you know, and get for know you better.
Oh, you're really sweet, Richard. Just hold on, I'm gonna buy some at the shop.
Alright, man, me dey here. Me dey here wait for you.
Honestly, things said Jada Kingdom better than Shinsia. I don't believe you, and you need to stop lying.
Yeah, man, I just feel like Jada have more lyrics, you know?
Clearly, you don't have good taste in music, so I'll leave you alone at that.
Alright, anything you want to say. But, what going on with you with life and everything? Which school you go?
I go high school, downtown. You're not gonna know about it.
Just tell me the name and me try to figure it out. Trust me.
What you like to eat? Like, what food do you like to eat? I can cook really good. I can make curry good, saltfish, curry chicken. I can cook a lot of things. And I know if I make juice fresh. I'll bring you some, make you taste it sometime.
That sounds good.
I'm really good at those type of stuff.
Meet a girl who can actually cook.
Hello, Daddy? Yeah, my phone reach. I had to buy a few things and we'll be home soon, okay? Alright. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot. Alright. Alright. Okay, later, Daddy.
Wait, you want me to walk you home? I mean, I'm not an issue for walking home. Might get pretty late. I don't want nothing happen to you up on the road. What going on with you? Why you sound so all of a sudden? You okay?
Fine. My father vexed cause me supposed to go home and cook and thing, but I have to hurry up and go, so it don't make no sense you walk me home. But I really appreciate the day today. I had a lot of fun and I really enjoy myself. Thank you so much.
Alright, well, I guess I'll talk to you later then.
Come on, Richard. Later, alright? I was telling Cynthia that I have this Switch, but she was like, only babies play the Switch. I should have a PS4, but I told her my mom won't buy me the PS4. Then she said I need to grow up and then I'm a loser. Remember, Cubs, you want to go to Canada Wonderland with me?
That sounds like it would be fun. I don't mind going with you.
Yeah, I finally have somebody to play with. I'm so happy.
Yo, dog, me never tell you so when she go up there, she'll start switch by you. You never want to hear. But look now. You barely hear from her. You shut up now, man. Me do hear from her, you chat too much. Just always have to be negative boy everything. Really? So why? Why you look so vexed then? Come on, Judah, me your big brother. Me no woman stay, me I tell you. Soon she can find. And next month, I should even go look for you again. Probably one white boy too, like her mother. Apple not far from the tree, no. Trust me, you might as well go look new girl. Forget bullshit. May I tell you? In the sense that there be some damn girl clone. Forget both her. I pass that man. Only for hot girl they run they can talk to. Some left school too. Wait till you start go college. Then time you go see the big body girl them. Trust me. Forget bullshit.
Hey Junior, can I borrow your phone? Me for call my mother. My battery dead.
No problem. Oh, you're battery dead. You forget to charge your phone.
Don't do me like that. The phone is just full. I want to buy a new one.
You can drop the one and I tell it too like the other one.
You know, say me don't like you. You're 9 bad.
Alright Denise. But no say. Me
Oh, you fi hate me after me not do nothing to you. Are you as a trouble me?
but say how you talk to me first, you know. Yo, you see you just love the fuckery.
What you want to say? Later, me text you.
Why you think say me I eat that little girl? Why it takes so long for answer the damn phone? Tell her say, go buy the things and come back to your yard. You go up on the road and do whatever you feel like with the little girl. Sometimes I feel wonder if you have damn sense. Hey, you have damn sense. Look what you have on to. What the hell you wear them short up skirt there for? I'm on your look. Eh? I'm on ya, look. Look like you want to turn one idiot like your mother, don't it? And take a bag of man like your worrying mother. You idiot. You idiot. Eh? You idiot, girl. Next time I tell you to come home, you come home. I'ma talk to you again.
Hey man, I say you do the thing. You watch and learn, Junior. Go on, your turn now.
I buck up that still. May I get it the next time?
Starbucks, you really want to call it?
You always have something for saying. Why you can't just leave me alone, eh? Stop take step on me now.
Watch I make the pro show you.
Yeah man, real.
Me do better than you though. You want to forward over my house? My mother at their home.
No man, Dennis, there's some things I have to do for my father, so I can't really go nowhere after this.
Oh, alright. Well, maybe next time.
Alright. Next time me come over, we can watch Netflix and thing. I just feel kinda busy with school and you know I can't really go now too much.
I understand say you're there with Diane, but you should not hear anymore, so why you not just leave her? I really like you, Junior. A lot. I like if me and you coulda there.
We talk to you about that some other time, alright?
Alright, just keep it in your mind, alright? Don't lie. Just be honest with me when you figure everything out.
Yeah man, no problem.